Good morning, good morning. Good morning guys, it's my 8 days on board. Okay naman yung equipment namin on board. Sobrang laki ng barko. Pero maganda yung takbo. At saka smooth operation din, yung samahan smooth din, maganda din. Teamwork yung kailangan. Kaya guys, it's my 8 days on board. First troubleshooting ko dito, BWMS Ballast Water Management System. Okay naman guys, mabilis naman yung rectification natin. About sa TRO, yung high TRO palagi, as what I have observed, yung sa filter ng ANU, dun sa may sampling pump, barado pala. At saka yung nag-adjust tayo ng flow ng TRO flow. Yun lang guys, thank you very much. Ngayon, sasakay tayo ng elevator guys. It's my first time na may elevator on board. 6 capacity ito, from engine control room to D-deck. So tara, sama tayo, sasakay tayo guys. Good morning.